Entering the Masjid al Haram. Once you see the Masjid al Haram, you no longer make the talbiyah. You have arrived at the court of the true king. It is now time to plead your case. You will enter the Masjid al Haram, but you will not stop to pray 2 raka'at. Rather, you will proceed to the mataf, the inner courtyard adjacent to the Kaaba Mu'azzama itself. It is narrated that Allah Ta'ala sends down 120 mercies daily on the Masjid al Haram, 60 for those who perform tawaf, 40 for those who are in salat, and 20 for those who are merely gazing at the Kaaba. How fortunate that you will be on this Mubarak day from the ones doing all three. It is also narrated that the dua made when first laying eyes on the Kaaba Mu'azzama is accepted. So do not look to the left or to the right. Keep your gaze down and move forward toward the sacred house, deliberately preparing your heart for the moment that you will fix your eyes with the tajalli of nur, with the manifestation of light, which Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala placed on this earth for every ummah of believers from the time of our father Adam alayhi salam until the last day. Know in advance what it is that you want to ask for and be prepared to ask for it. Instead of fumbling for your phone to take a picture of that moment with your heart and keep it with you forever. Inshallah, there will be plenty of time for pictures later, but that moment will never come back.